What's this bird doing? I see it. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Bluebird. Oh, the airplane shut it up, huh? Oh. That bird was just like really loud out of nowhere. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Where'd it go? Oh, it flew away. I think it was the blue one. I don't know. The pepper plant. So I got some volunteer potatoes that I never pulled up, I guess. Yay. Because I need something growing right here anyway. Man, mosquitoes. So, it's got eaten, like always. But it's so pretty. Baby flower. Calendula, I believe. Pepper. And then my garlic's coming back because I never pulled it. Which is great because I thought they all rotted. Like, I was like, I never got to pull the garlic. They're coming back. I don't know if they'll come back good. I don't know if they'll actually produce like an actual garlic or not. And this pumpkin seems to not be growing anymore, so I tried to move it, but I don't know. I ended up pulling a leaf off, a huge leaf. The stem is hollow, all this water came out. It's cool. But, yeah, of course, when I put seeds down, it rained, like, a lot that same night. When I did all that nice tilling the ground, and then it made it all hard again. Like, the rain just came and slammed down. We even had hail. So I'm trying to see, like, and I came back and tried to, like, fix the dirt again, because it messed up the whole thing. It messed up my whole little setup that I put. This whole thing was knocked over, like, because I was left it alone. I was going to come back and take a shovel and actually put it in the ground, and nope, it rained the same day with hail and a bunch of wind. So then I came back and tried to fix it, but it's not the way it looked before. It was perfect. Like, the ground was like so nice and clean. The mulch wasn't scattered everywhere. But I tried to see where I put my seeds, which now the rain definitely moved the seeds everywhere. So I have no idea. But there's one. There's a couple baby ones that are sprouting. Sucks because the dirt was so perfect before the rain. Like, the dirt, it was all dirt. It wasn't mixed with mulch. So, and I had a perfect layout. So, and then when I came back, all of this was mulch because the mulch floats. And it floated all right here with this tipped over, of course. So it was like thick mulch over where I put the seeds. So I had to, like, kind of move it without disturbing any growth. Yeah, anyway. Look at this tomato plant that is not producing tomatoes. I don't know. I just let it grow, though, because I was so excited. Anything was growing. I didn't want to cut nothing and kill anything on accident, because I was just like, let it grow. Let it grow. I don't care. Just want anything growing. I can see of course I put the tiniest seeds. I'm just hoping they will survive. Not knowing it was gonna torrential flood rain like that. Like I haven't had that since April or like March. And it was at 3 in the morning, of course, too. And I mean, I couldn't stop it anyway, but that's cool. The rain makes the potatoes grow and the garlic. Yeah, it was cool. It was just not a good day to start seeds or like a design, because then the mulch came and the mulch floats when it floods like that. So, and of course I don't have it actually laid out the way I want, so it's like it's gonna go wherever it can go. But I see the radishes that I put in sprouting, but that's it. I'm hoping of course, and I did everything and didn't really write anything down to note what I put. I was in a rush, like always. But at least I put this thing back up. There's nothing growing around it, so it can be destroyed and put back anytime, I guess. But you can kind of see baby. But I don't know. I don't even have water. So I already know it's not gonna be successful, but it's okay. I'm waiting till I can get some things in order. Got some things growing right here. Baby seeds of something that I must put down. Look at these little flowers. Too bad I don't have anything else growing. It'll get there. I wonder if this is going to die during winter. Because I wasn't expecting it to take this long to flower or grow. So I'm like, great. I don't know when or if it's going to flower. And if it does, does it come back? That's the question. Does it come back if it freezes? It's going to be purple. It smells good. It's sage, I believe. It survived and it finally is flowering. At least I get to see one flower. One flower that's not eaten. This is coming back. I hope it survives. I hope nothing kills it. Of course, I'm not prepared. I need to put covers on everything. I'm not in the mood. Eventually, I will get one of those things that you plastic so nothing gets on them and eats them. But I haven't gotten the chance. That's cute. I'll have to put it on everything, basically. Hey, Ginger. Give her a little haircut. Hi. Zinnias. Those are the one thing that did bloom all summer. So people are right. They are good with the sun. They kept coming. They're still coming even though they look a hot mess. Look, that blooming off of maybe a couple seeds. I didn't even put too many. I should have put way more. It would have been nice. But I didn't put a lot because I thought they never grow for me. So, but I'm always on the wrong timing. I always do them when it's too cold. So they finally had a chance to actually grow. I'm so happy the garlic is coming back. I need something growing in here, so that's perfect. And hopefully this year I will actually pull them out and then put something different once the dirt is actually nice and good. Because this is all clay, or like compact. It's compact. I haven't even put a shovel to it, really. So this is mulch from the leaves of the tree and acorns, which acorns float. The leaves kind of hold them down, but they float. So. And wood, like actually bought wood mulch. The wood is okay, but that floats too, so it kind of moves around when it rains. Straw would probably be better, but I don't know, that would probably float too. I don't know. But this shade cloth has helped, I think, a lot with the pepper plant. And I think I put some garlic in here and some seeds of something. I think chives. All those little baby seedlings are chives, I think. Like, I got a bunch over here. I'm wondering, what did I put? Of course it rained and bunched everything all together. So, good luck. Some baby seeds. Of course, they're not even gonna grow. Probably. Look at this. I'm waiting for this to flower. I don't know when. Maybe next year? I don't know. It's supposed to be pulled now, I'm sure, but I'd rather get seeds. So I can actually have a successful garden next season. When I actually get to get good soil or like plan everything out better and get a cover for everything so that it won't get eaten. Dang, this dog's barking. Look at this lavender though. I'm loving this lavender. Like, I wonder if it's gonna survive winter though. I'm gonna cover everything as much as possible, but it's gonna be hard. Last year I covered everything and it still was really cold. It helped though. I put cardboard and tablecloths. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to like somehow enclose whenever we do get a freeze. Hopefully close off everything. I will have to put stuff here too. Well, I'm not growing anything, so I want to survive, keep this going. I hope it doesn't die. I don't know how I'm going to do the tall things. Oh well, it's like blowing in the wind. I'm surprised it's not going to just... I need to put a hoop over here. Just to kind of... I mean, this one's fine, I guess. Like, damn. Then it might snap. I don't know. I never heard a dog like that. Don't know what is all this. seeds, but did not put seeds there. Something growing. Oh, it's this. Whatever the heck. I'm sure something blew seeds from all these dried plants that I have. But yeah, let's see. That's pretty green. Alright, I'm ready to go back to inside. I am getting eaten up by mosquitoes. But yeah, I'm waiting. See how this works. I need covers. That's the one thing. I can't grow no seeds without it getting eaten. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. Nope. So that's the number one thing. It's hot now. Sun's coming up. Okay. Goodbye.